Welcome to this Cadline Dynamic Maps video. We'll be looking at the scale printing tool within MapThat. Before we explore printing, let's use a MapThat bookmark tool to auto-zoom to and open the Liverpool Planning Apps layer. Scale printing tool is available from the Print tools, choosing Scale Printing, New Print Job. Firstly, choose the paper orientation and size, for example A4 landscape. Then based on the paper size, you can choose a list of available print templates. Next, choose a printer to print to. For example, let's print directly to PDF. We'll then have a list of available map scales. Let's choose 1 to 1250 for our planning apps. You can also choose to print using a number of different base maps, including aerial imagery, Bing mapping and ordnance survey. Press the place pin marker to add the print template to the map, shown as a yellow area. If the print area is too small, we can change the print settings, choosing a new paper size such as A3 landscape, and then choosing the remaining scale print settings. Now press the place button to add the A3 template to the map and a yellow print area is shown. We can either send this to print, or at the top, using the filter options, we can choose which layer to filter, for example the planning applications. Here we'll choose to only show the rosebed features, and pressing Apply Filter to Map will then hide all other map features. Let's update the print area again, choosing a paper size, print template, our PDF option and the scale. Adding this to the map, we have a new print area. Finally, when ready, press Print and MapThat will process the print job. Back in the Scale Printing menu, choose Print Jobs to view a list of all the current print jobs, with the new scale print job being listed at the top. The tick box denotes the print job has been created successfully, and after selecting it, press the Download PDF file button to view the scale print file. PDF will open and the printed map is shown, showing you the map features that we filtered and the base map that we chose. MapThat can print using any number of print templates to any paper size and any scale format.